Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select System. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Then select Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!